Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna pull the most epic prank on my best friend named Star. I'm gonna go through the car wash, and I'm naming this the car wash challenge. Well, prank. I got this from Brendan Taylor, and yeah, so I'm recording on my phone, but I'm gonna see what happens. She's probably gonna think, I'm just recording the whole thing, but really, I'm gonna open all the windows, and it's gonna get her wet. Hopefully this works out. If it doesn't, then obviously the video ain't going up, but I'll try my best. Going through the drive-through. Oh, I can't even put it there. This is cool. It looks like colors. Look, guys. We're getting all covered up, huh? I know, right?
Don't fucking do it.
Oh, I'm dead.
Frankie! It's your turn being wet! Frankie!
I'm fucking dead! I got her ass.
Ah!